welcome to Woodside Wildlife Park in Lincolnshire. It's a gorgeous day. Let's see what they've got here. So I'm in the penguin enclosure at the moment, and they share their space with Inca terns. You can see one here. They're free flying around the enclosure, which is really nice to see. Gorgeous. The penguins are having a very chilled out day today. So the monkeys have got this amazing new enclosure. It's so much fun. And where are they? Sat in the entrance tunnel. There's a few more penguins out now, which is nice to see. I love listening to the waterfall, it's so relaxing. It always seems really peaceful in here, apart from at feeding time, when they go a bit crazy for the fish. I think it's so relaxing being in nature and seeing animals. I think when life gets a bit busy or stressful, it's just so nice to get in nature, and you can just feel the stress just rolling away. Especially on such a beautiful day and in such gorgeous surroundings. Look at that sky. Beautiful. I'm working my way down to the bottom of the park now, where the white wolves live. They're always amazing to see, and I love it when they get howling together. It's an amazing sound. So let's hope they put on a show for us. Found them relaxing under a tree. Maybe if we hear them howling a little later, we'll come back for another look. They're having a nice chill in the afternoon sun right now. So I'm inside the tropical house in Denver, which is really pretty. Loads of gorgeous plants, water, butterflies flying around. Hopefully you'll catch a glimpse of some of them. Birds, and I'm just going to make my way through to crocodiles. See if they move for us, because they're normally very, very still like statues. So let's go have a look. Hello. Ooh. Bit of movement, they are very honoured. Don't normally move much at all, so that's really nice to see. Wow, you're showing off your teeth. I think you're missing a few. I'm hoping something lands in there. And snap it up. Flash of colour and ink on. Some of the plants here are amazing, things you've just never seen before. Some more familiar ones as well. I love the kind of jungle feel to it. Hello. 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 Very friendly. So pretty in here and super warm. If it's cold outside, this is the perfect place to be. There's some gorgeous orange butterflies. I'm trying to get on camera. They're so speedy. I can't quite get a good shot of them. So pretty. Like little falling leaves in autumn. Another striking butterfly that I can't keep up with. Oh, the Jeffrey's cat. He's quite elusive. He's good at hiding, so it's really nice to see him. He just looks like a really cute domestic cat. thinking he's maybe not that cuddly. Here are the seagulls. They're humongous. When they fly, their wingspan is incredible. I'm just watching the world go by right now. He keeps looking up and I'm thinking he's going to fly, but then he doesn't. Go on, show us your wingspan. You're teasing us now. Yay, thank you for that. I'm so glad the white wolves came closer. They're so gorgeous. Those coats. Are you handsome? They're still not in the mood to do any howling though. Shucks. Here are the otters. They're very cute, but always hungry. Everyone that walks past, they're like, feed me, feed me. Oh, I'm so pleased to see a monkey on the play area. I was thinking it's such a waste. They're really enjoying it now. They just look like children at a play pad, don't they? Gorgeous. Might be hard to see because of the sun. Hello. Oh, back to the tunnel, of course. What about your friend? I think you can hear some of the other animals. You found your friend? Not yet. Tail's amazing. Helping them get around. What can you hear? Is it a penguin? With it being quite new, I wonder if they're still getting used to it. They still seem a little tentative, and that might be why they're enjoying the tunnel. They're just gradually getting used to this amazing new play area. So I'm going to try and see the penguins and see which one's making all the noise. But you know, as soon as I get there, they're going to stop, aren't they? Okay, who's making all the noise? Oh, no, it's you. friends having a go now. So cute rubbing around. It's really hard work, isn't it? This is Julia. She was rescued from a circus by Woodside. So a nice retirement home for her, bless her. So in the seagulls enclosure, we have maybe a different kind of eagle. I don't think that's a seagull. I think they've maybe adopted, which is very cute. There are storks in this enclosure, and the heron is just visiting. I think he likes it in here. He's in here quite often. He's gorgeous too. There's loads of lovely areas like this around the animal park as well, with just wildflowers, really gorgeous areas for wildlife. So the lemurs live in here, which is a really nice big area for them, and some cute little birds. And there is a lovely walk-through area, which is currently closed, but it's nice that it's only open part of the day, and the rest of the time they're all to themselves. Hello. I don't think I've ever heard lemurs make a noise before. Very cute. So now you're all doing it. Love how they cuddle up together. If one goes, we're all gonna go. So I'm in another indoor area now, which is lovely and warm because it's cooling off outside. So it's really nice having these indoor options for if the weather is not great on some visits. There's lots of birds flying around, lots of noises, lots of gorgeous plants. Some in there for children. I think every animal park has meerkats, so I think we take them a bit for granted. But they are super cute. And this is Poppy. Hello. Hello. time visiting the animals, getting some fresh air and exercise at Woodside Wildlife Park. I hope you managed to find some calm in the chaos of your week. Thanks for joining me.